purple than blue in real life, and it's much more darker and it's really shiny if you get it brand new. These back spikes twist around, and the tail flips around. It's kind of like a scorpion bow venom gland there. That's the problem about it. And these horns can twist around, face up, flip up. The feet move a lot. It's really detailed. Be careful. If you pull this leg too far back, it'll launch the head. And I guess that's another way you can launch it. But then you can't. Yeah, and then you just, oops, wrong leg. There. It's really shiny. And it does have a full body design. So I guess this is the end of the Hybrid-Dino videos.